So here's how to format the SD card inside your GoPro Hero 12. Now, obviously, the first thing you have to do is insert the SD card into the camera properly. And then next, swipe down from the top of the screen to go to the main menu, and then swipe to go to the right hand side and tap on Preferences. Under Preferences, scroll until you get to Reset at the bottom of the page. Tap on it, and then under Reset, you should see the option to format SD card. So tap on that, and then it's going to warn you formatting will delete all files and reformat your SD card. So if you want to continue, just tap on Format, and that's going to format that SD card. And that's it. The SD card is now formatted. All the data, all the videos and photos are now deleted and the card reformatted. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.